What's up, it's your boy KsaJamaly back with another video. In this video we are going to fix RTX 3050. So when we power on the card, the fan just rotates at high speeds. So when I power on the card, fan is rotating at high speed and there is no display coming from it, and the GPU has not been recognized by the motherboard. So you can see it, the motherboard is giving display through HDMI cable that is connected to motherboard, and this card is not being detected. So we will disassemble the card and let's check what problem it is facing. Let's assemble the board, so let's diagnose it. So let's check voltage stages first. So let's check the 12 volts. 12 volts are coming. This 12 volts from here. Okay, this one is also coming. Let's check 5 volts. 5 volts rail. I think this is a PEX one. This is a 1.8 and this is the 5 volt rail. Let's check 5 volt. Okay, we got it. There is no 5 volt rail. So if the 5 volt rail is not there, then there will be no 1.8, and 1.8 is not there, so PEX is also not there, and there will be no G core and memory core. So there are no, the card is totally dead and the GPU is also not getting warm. So first we will change this 5 volt IC and let's hope for the best. Install the new IC here. It's perfectly installed and aligned. So let's check now, are we getting a voltage or not. So I've powered on the card. So let's check for the 5 volt. Okay, we are getting 5 volt, that is proper. 1.8 volt. Okay, 1.8 volt is not there. 5 volt is there. 1.8 volt is also there. The core is getting hot. I think so we have successfully repaired it. So I will cover up this card and show you the video of it. After observing it under the microscope, I found out that there are only 8 pairs of data lines available, and other 8 pairs are not joined together, or they are factory vacant. So this card only runs at 8x. So from here you can see one pair, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x. So this card only runs at 8x, and I think so my motherboard might not be compatible with 8x. When I run 8x into a 16x this port, it does not get detected, and I will have run this card into 1x. So I will change this motherboard and test it if are we getting 8x or not. So the card is giving proper display in 1x. So I will change the motherboard into a brand new or latest one, because this is a H61 old motherboard, so that might be not compatible with this card. So and this is a testing motherboard. I always test my card into H61 board. So because they are cheap and something short happen into the motherboard, I don't care, because they are very much cheap in cost and I can buy a new one. So I will test this card into a latest motherboard and give you an update. The issue is resolved. The issue was causing by my motherboard. So this motherboard, suppose it's a latest one, it's a B550 or B450. So it's perfectly, the card is perfectly detecting, and the card supports 8x, and this card was detected at 8x, and from here you can see it, card is detected and perfectly working. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and leave some valuable feedback or comments. Thank you.